Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is T. Welcome. All right guys, so make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you're feeling good, leave a comment, okay? So I'm outside of the parking lot of Costco. It is 9:57. The store is about to open. I already accepted a batch. It's for $34. It's only going 4 miles. So we are about to do that. I'm gonna go get my cart and then in 3 minutes start the shop. So let's go. All right, y'all, so let me tell y'all something, right? I try not to record no more while I'm driving because the sound quality, but y'all need to hear this. Y'all need to hear it. So this was not in the batch details. I guess the customer must have just added this detail in the batch details. It says that I have to go up a small amount of steps or a flight of steps, whatever. And then in parentheses, it got the number 6. What? All right, yeah, so I just dropped off that last batch. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was, but still, that's crazy. And then the lady going to ask me, like, oh, could you put the my detergent downstairs by my door so I could take it in the basement? No, I can't. All right, yeah, so I just accepted another order. It was only for $20. It's only going, I think, like 3 miles, something like that. And the order was real simple. I already did it, and now I'm about to just drop it off to the customer. So let's go. All right, guys, so I accepted another order for Panera. It's $6.50, and it's only going 3 miles. So let's go get this order and get it to the customer. All right, so I just caught a Walgreens order. It's for $10, 7 items, only going a couple of miles on DoorDash, so that's what I'm about to do. Yo, so let me tell y'all, I'm in the Walgreens or whatever. The Walgreens lady, like, she like just throwing the stuff into the bag. Like, I got, one of the customers got water. She just throwing it in the bag. It just rips right through the bag. So I tell her, like, hey, yo, hold up. Like, just relax. Like, if you don't like your job, go get another one. If you don't want to work at, for nobody, then start a business or something. There's plenty of things you could do out here, but don't be just tossing people's stuff around. Like, I don't know if it's because it's Monday, but today people tripping, y'all. All right, guys, so literally I just dropped that order off. It came to $7.75. And now I'm headed to the Costco because I accepted an order for $44. 2 customers. Not sure about the miles, but I'll just put it right here. So I am off to Costco. All right, guys, it only took me 20 minutes to shop that order. I'm about to load the trunk and drop it off to the customers. All right, guys, so I accepted my last order. It's for $30. It's at Stop and Shop, only 1 customer, about 30 items. So let's get this done.